Hello everyone, I'm here today to show you how to set up the time and date on your Mac computer for the 4K Ultra Spy Watch. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and open up our browser and go to our website spycenter.com. Let's go to our hidden body cameras and we're going to click on the 4K Ultra Spy Watch, then scroll down to our user guides and open up the quick start guide. From here we're going to scroll down just a couple pages till we get to the section for the Mac setup. The reason why is because it does already have the format here, making it much easier to do this process. So as you'll see, we're going to go ahead and copy and then paste this information over into a text edit program. So we're going to open up our text edit, create a new document, and then paste that information in. Keep in mind we do need to format this properly. So you'll notice here that I'm just going through and making it look proper. I'm getting rid of the bullet points. That is something that is needed to do, so keep that in mind. So, and then we'll go ahead and update our date and time. So it'll go year, month, day, hour, minutes, seconds. So just update that accordingly, and then we'll save it once that's complete. So you notice here, I'm just getting it updated to the proper time. Then we're going to hit File on the top left and Save. We do want to name it Setting. So make sure that you name it Setting, and then of course make sure we're saving it to the actual drive itself. So go ahead and hit Save, and now we're going to go ahead and close all this down. I'm going to eject it from the computer and make a couple recordings just to see if it did take the accurate date and time. So that's now ejected. Make the recordings. We plugged it back in. Let's see what we got. So we'll go ahead and open up the drive. We'll go to our video folder. And there we go. So it did take that accurate date and time. I do briefly just show you how to delete the information off of this. And of course, if you did appreciate the content, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos.